So I'm back. It's a spring. Most of the snow is melted, but there's still quite a bit of it in certain places. Right here, there's not that much because it's pretty open to the sun. But this is one of the culverts that I installed. I did a video on this one last year, so I've just come back to see how it's working, if it's doing what it's supposed to. This area before, let me just step over here. This area was kind of flat, and the entire area from here to my tractor used to be flooded before it worked its way over that way to get down. So I trenched this out and directed it here with these rocks, this valley, and this seems to be working properly. This seems to be working very well. So that was a 20-foot culvert, and I believe it was a 12-incher. Got some leaves stuck in there right now, but it's not hindering the drainage. But yeah, this whole area was flooded years before, and now it looks like we've got it going and contained. Let's go check out the other one that I did the video on as well. We got one more to check out. All right, this is the culvert that was on that video that I did. Actually, it's done quite well. I think it's 17,000 views in like 4 months. So I'm quite happy with that. It was the one where I wasn't talking, there was no music, just the machine. And this was the culvert. And this is the swamp that I'm trying to drain. Well, allow to go past this road and down into the lower section where it eventually wants to go anyways. But yeah, this has worked out good. There's no signage of overflowing. Like I said, most of the snow is melted, so most of the washout has already happened. This entire straightway here up to this curve was flooded every year, and just like going through mud. It had a rock base from loggers that had built this road probably 50-60 years ago. It had a rock base, so it was mud on top of rock, so it was just nasty to go through here. But this would completely come over every year, and it doesn't look like it did. It looked like that culvert did the job. So yeah, one swamp draining into another swamp, and my road is high and dry. Let's check out the flow here, make sure I got the angle right. Looks like it's happy. Coming down into that. Yeah, it used to flood right to where just in front of the tractor there. It used to flood across there as well. Nice. Very happy with those two culverts. And that's just a upcap. That's just a recap on how successful were the installs, and looks like they're all right. All right. Thanks for watching.